Hello everyone! Nandito na po tayo sa kabila. Welcome to my channel. At ito na po ang last part ng aking paglalakad at pagre-relax dito sa My Inspiration Lake, Hong Kong. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. Thank you. Tara na, itutuloy natin ang paglalakad. Shout out nga pala sa Team Gala at Kapingso. Thank you so much sa walang sawang panonood ng aking video. Thank you.
You say that you don't love me anymore, babe. You say what we have is a mistake. Oh, but we both know that you don't really love him. Well, you go telling lies, the more my poor heart breaks. So stop telling lies, oh, and breaking my heart in two. When will you realize it ain't so hard to stay true? Well, you're lying every time you say you love him. In a game of love, you gotta cheat to win. Become of my life now. Why you took all your love and left me memory, when the best of those is quickly gone and sour. Oh, and all they do now is torture me. So stop telling lies, oh, and break my heart in two. When will you realize it ain't so hard to stay true? Why you crying every time you say you love me? In a game of love, you gotta cheat to win. Nighttime was turning day. When she left me this morning, nighttime was turning day. I didn't have no blues until my good gal went away. That blues like midnight, moon shining bright as day. The blues like midnight, moon shining bright as day. I wish a tornado would come and blow my blues away. Steve Austin on the electric guitar. You women, why you women don't want him around? When a man's down and out, you women don't want him around. When he's got him lots of money, he's the sweetest thing in town. Mom, won't you see what you've gone done? Yes, look here, Mama, see what you've gone done. You made me love you, and now your man has come.
Dami dito, crowded na dito, oh. Puro naka-tent lahat sila. Mga pamilya.
It's just my luck, I'll have to exist in a world where I just survive. Well, I'm breathing, so I guess that means I'm still alive. Oh, but no one can tell by the image that they see.
Marami sila.
Oh, since I let go of you, I'm barely hanging on to me.
Ano kayang bike yan?
Oh, and I never go around me. I'm such a sorry sight. How did I become so distorted, so young in life? But the worst of you has finally got the best of me. Oh, since I let go of you, I'm barely hanging on to me. Well, the mind that used to guide me right has now become weak and numb, and my heart is still wondering where all this hurt is coming from. The presence of your absence has finally got to me, and since I let go of you, I'm barely hanging on to me. I never go around me, I'm such a sorry sight. How did I become so distorted, so young in life? Yes, the best of you has finally got the best of me. Well, since I let go of you, I'm barely hanging on to me. Oh, since I let go of you, I'm barely hanging on to me. Well, nearly everybody's got a souped up beetle and they're looking for someone to drag. Well, my old clunker might be classed as a junker, but I'm still gonna stand here and brag. Well, it's been called a lot of names, I can't repeat it here, oh, but what I'm trying to say, well, I wouldn't trade it. Henry Ford made it and he called it a Model A. And in Paul, a load of boys said, what's that noise? Why, it sounds like you ain't going far. That's $3,000 here jingling in my pocket. It's the difference in the price of our cars. They had no more to say, they just went on their way. Oh, and I had to sit there and laugh. Oh, 'cause I didn't really have $3,000, but I only had $1.50. Now the gals are all aching to be asked to be taken for a ride in my Model A. It's a nice night to spoon, there's a big round moon, and I got a full week's pay. Coming home late tonight, I'll probably run out of gas on a back road along the way. But if I play it just right, I get some loving tonight in my good old Model A. Stone Cold. Cadillacs and your GTOs, why they really get out and go. But you can't keep 'em going with a piece of baling wire and the parts from an old radio. Like putting bacon brine in a burnout barren and going merrily on your way. Well, they just have to face it, they can never replace it. It's my good old Model A. And all the gals are all aching to be asked to be taken for a ride in my Model A. It's a nice night to spoon, there's a big round moon, and I got a full week's pay. I'm coming home late tonight, I'll probably run out of gas on the back road along the way. But if I play just right, I get some loving tonight in my good old Model A. There she goes, she's walking away, and every step throws heartache my way. He won her heart, I lost her some way. And there she goes, she's walking away. And if I hadn't cheated, and if I hadn't lied, oh, I'd be the one standing there by her side. But I love her still, I guess that shows. She's walking away.